Hello friends, we have exciting news to share with you, which is that we sold our boat today, the one that we currently live on. And we couldn't be more pleased because the people who are buying it love the boat as much as we do. And when you live aboard, you become very emotionally attached to your home. So we feel very lucky that the right people are purchasing it, and they've been very gracious. So we're going to be able to continue to live aboard until our new boat makes its way from Tacoma to home, which is Lake Pend Oreille. Speaking of that, we have updates on what's going on there, which is that we're currently working with the Department of Transportation to help us plan a route from Lewiston to Pend Oreille. And we are hoping that we can find a route where we don't have to tear the boat down further than 19 feet tall. So once we get that route, if there is one, then we'll be able to run with a pole to make sure that we're not going to accidentally hit anything. Also, we've been researching crossing the Columbia Bar, and we do believe that we are capable of this epic journey. So although we have two spreadsheets laying out which decision might be financially the best, I think we're both kind of crossing our fingers and hoping that Lewiston will be the best option for us. So we will keep you informed, of course, and we really appreciate all of your input. Be sure to like, comment, and share. And as always, we love you people. Thanks for watching. As an added bonus, we're going to do a walkthrough of this boat, the one that we've been living aboard for the last 2 years. So if you want to see how crazy people live on a boat, you don't want to miss this. So you don't want to miss this. Okay, wait, okay. I keep doing this up. The one that we live on and have, never mind. Thanks so much for watching our video. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and comment on it. We are dying to hear from you guys, and we want to know what you want to see next. Also, be sure to share those videos. It means more than you know. Thanks again, and we love you guys.